Hello everybody and welcome to my channel once again. So in this video I am going to be showing you how you can make a virtual dice using 30 simple lines of Python code. So first I'm going to show you how this code works, then I'm going to step by step guide you through the whole process. So first I'm going to just go ahead and run this code in the terminal. So now as you can see it is showing me three prompts. So those three prompts, so that is showing me that if you want to roll the dice again or not, and if you do so please press Y, and if you don't, if you want to exit, please press N. So I'm just gonna press Y to roll another time, and as you can see now it is showing 4. So yeah, this is a really great way to automate dice. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make this, and now I'm just gonna press N and it will automatically break the whole code. So I'm just gonna delete this whole code, and I'm gonna save the file. Now we can start writing the code. So the first thing that you have to do is that you have to import a library named random to generate that random dice number. So we have to import a library named random, and then we have to write that x is equals to a string y, then while x is equals to y. So this is an infinite loop because x will every time be equal to y. Now we are just gonna put a colon and indent to the next line. So now we are just gonna write a number. So this is a variable number, no, and that is random dot randit, and then would be from 1 to 6. So any number between 1 to 6, you have to randomly generate any number between 1 to 6. Now we are gonna write the format of number 1, number 2 and number 3. So simply if number, so the random number is equals to 1, then we have to print. So I'm just gonna print this. So this, and then in the next line I'm gonna again print. In the next line there will be nothing. So yeah, just that. So I'm just following the format that we see the dice these days. So I'm just like drawing some of like something like that. So if you don't want this, you can just write number 1, number 2 or number 3. But just to try to simulate a dice, I am writing these. So yeah, so I'm just gonna delete this from here, one from here and one from here. Then I'm again gonna print an empty string, and that would be it. Yeah, then again I'm gonna print line. So line. That would be in brackets, parenthesis and in quotation marks. Yeah, so as you can see now this somewhat looks like the number 1 that we see on these dice these days. So now I'm gonna just copy this whole thing and I'm gonna paste it for number 2. I'm just gonna write number 2 here. Then I'm gonna, instead of one of these, I'm gonna leave this and I'm just gonna write 0 in this and then 0 in this. Yeah, so that somewhat looks like number 2. Now again I'm gonna remove the indent, number 3, and for that I am gonna be putting 0 up here, 0 here, and then 1 0 would be right here, 0. So this is somewhat looks like number 3 on the die. Again we are gonna paste number 4, and what number 4 looks like is somewhat like, so I'm gonna erase this 0 here, cancel 0 here, yeah, somewhat like this. Then again, so this might take a long time, so you can skip the video ahead if you don't want to see this, and if you do, you can just do it along. So again, a 0 here, a 0 here, then there would be a 0 in between, so a 0, then again there would be a 0 here, right here, then a 0 right here. Yeah, so this somewhat looks like 5, I suppose. And then the last one, that would be 6. So this would be number 6. And so the number 6 would be 3 above and 3 on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 6 looks somewhat like this. Now we have completed every single number of the die. So this is 3, or to make 3 more reasonable, I can just cut a single number. Yeah, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that looks like somewhat like a die. So after you have done that, you have to just write x is equals to input, and in brackets, now you want to write the input, so I'm just gonna write press Y to roll again, and N to exit. So if you want to exit the code, you will just write N, and if you want to roll again the die, so you will just press Y. So you have to then just print, yeah, in parenthesis, you have to go on to the next line, so \n. Yeah, so that's the whole code that you need for making this die. Yeah, so after you have done that, you can head on to your terminal. I will just clear the slate, and I'm just gonna run the code through terminal. And as you can see, now it gave me a random number that was 4, and now it will keep giving me numbers if I press Y. So yeah, 2, then 3, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5, 3, 3, 4. As you can see, it just keep rolling the dice, and it keeps giving me the numbers. So I'm just gonna press N to exit the code, and as you can see now in my root directory, and it just broke the code. I'm gonna clear the slate, and so this is a really great way to automate a dice. And if you are playing a board game and you don't have a dice, so you can use this code if you want. So yeah, so if you like this video, smash the like button down there, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which tutorial do you want next, and I'll see you next time.